The buses are equipped with air conditioners and audio-video facilities. Governor Okowa said a genuine public-private partnership would enable government business outfits, including Delta Line, compete favorably with other private companies. He said the provision of the buses was in line with government's effort at creating jobs for Deltans and making life better for the people.
This is going to be an exemplary public-private partnership. His Excellency is known as the roadmaster. Now you can see he's putting something on top of the road too, for the benefit of all Deltans.
The Commissioner, Directorate of Transport, Sir Vincent Tudwanha, said Delta Line was plagued with management problems, inadequate vehicles, and indebtedness. He commended Governor Okowa for making Delta Line go into partnership with God is Good Motors, noting that with the partnership, Delta Line would soon regain its last glory. The Transport Commissioner stated that the 20 buses were part of the 120 buses to be acquired by the transport company.
With this commission of these brand new buses for Delta Line, this action has paid off and the company is poised to regain our lost glory. It is my expectation that this partnership will be mutually rewarding.
The Chief Operation Officer of God is Good Motors, Mr. Samson Osieme, said the buses would usher in a new era for Delta Line. He told the gathering that his company made 40 buses when it started the partnership with Delta Line, stressing that the partnership now boasts of 100 buses. Mr. Osieme said Delta Line drivers had been trained and retrained on basic safety rules on the road. He commended Governor Ifeanyi Okowa for the partnership, while saying that a terminal for the buses would soon be completed. Governor Okowa later test drove one of the buses in company of the Secretary to the State Government, Honorable Festus Agas, and some members of the State Executive Council. Antonia Mowah, Delta Television News.